What's up, YouTubers? If you have a ceiling fan like this that has a dome on it that has no screws that hold it in place, the most ridiculous design of all time. If you notice, there are no screws holding that dome on, which means the dome itself is threaded, meaning this is threaded to the fan up here. And if your fan is older, that dome could be difficult to remove. The only way I have found to remove it, of course, it's going to have to loosen to the left, lefty-loosey, of course. You're going to have to, you can use your, your fist or something. I mean, this is pretty serious glass. I seriously doubt it's going to break, but you're going to have to give it a good whopping to the left so that you can unscrew it to get to the light bulbs inside there. That's how I did it, and it came off fairly easily. Just be careful, you may want to put on some gloves or something just in case, but that is a pretty stout glass dome, and you have to give it a nice firm hit. That way, a nice firm hit, then you can loosen the dome to get to your light bulbs up there. So you can see from the side, this just screws on to the ceiling fan up there. So ridiculous. Because, if your ceiling fan is pretty old, it could have dust build up in there and all that. It can be a nightmare to try to remove this dome here. Been there, done that. And then to put it back on, you have to line up that slot right there. You can see, you can find out, you can see where to line up the slot. Hard to do one-handed here. But you can see. Just keep turning it. Keep turning it and it'll catch. And it's a very stout glass. Just be careful. Anyway, that's the dumbest way I've ever seen to create a dome mount for a ceiling fan. No screws or anything holds it. Just ridiculous. Anyway, I believe this is probably Hampton Bay. Yeah, it is. Hampton Bay ceiling fan. You have to give it a good firm whop with your fist to unscrew the dome. There you go.